How to use Nmap, a complete guide with examples. Understanding your IT network helps reduce cyber attacks, and one tool to accomplish this is Nmap. In this video, we'll show you how to use Nmap to spot vulnerabilities in your system. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is Nmap? Nmap is an open source utility for network scanning and security auditing. Think of it as a map of your network, showing everything that's connected and running. Its additional features include host discovery, port scanning, and version detection. Nmap can be installed on devices running Windows, Mac, and Linux. To ensure that you're getting the latest version of the software, check out the installation guides on the official download page of Nmap. With Nmap installed on your device, you can now run some basic commands and syntax on it to reveal active hosts on your network use, to run a ping scan, to run a basic port scan, and to enable version detection on a basic port scan. With the basics out of the way, let's use Nmap to run different kinds of network scans. First, you'll need a range of IPs to scan. For this video, we'll use this IP address as an example. So our IP range should be as follows. To run a ping scan, we'll execute this syntax. The result shows 5 hosts on our network. While a ping scan only gives us the IP addresses of active hosts, other scanning techniques show us more information on them. TCP connect scanning. If we run this command for a TCP connect scan using a sample IP address, we'll get a list of the ports on this host. OS scanning. An OS scan is used to determine which OSs are running on the target hosts. For this scan, we'll input the command as follows. This gives us the following result. Nmap performs security auditing using the Nmap scripting engine, or NSE, which uses the Lua programming language. For our example, we'll use the vulner script. Once we've run the following command using our sample IP range, we'll get this partial result, which shows that the network has no vulnerabilities. Ultimately, Nmap is a highly reliable tool to secure your network, especially if you tailor your scans to specific objectives and conduct regular security audits. For more information, check out our official blog post on Nmap, linked in the description below.